How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply clear your key binds in FiveM. Now, by doing this, it is extremely simple, but if you want to do this completely, we then have a way. So let's say that you have completely replaced all of your key binds and basically you just want to reset it at default. We have an easy solution for it. First things first, look for your FiveM logo. Simply right click on it and click on the open file location. If you're on Windows 10, it will look something like this. Just click open file location once again. Click the FiveM application data. And inside this folder, you then want to navigate through data. Basically, this is where our game settings is stored. So what we can do is to delete those settings, which means basically resetting it back to default. And with that, it will also remove all of our keybinds. So you want to select cache, server cache, and the server cache priv. This is where all of our settings are stored. Basically delete this, and after opening up FiveM again, it will just replace the deleted folder right here, so you have nothing to worry about. And from there, it will then override your old settings, and then it will create this new default settings that you can go ahead and configure on your own. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.